Shubor naga Shlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri ubadai kami eka kam jengok kai perthai uba polling doa menta kasni ka santri ukala lingkot arhajar arpusau ula Plie ke Jingdro ka bladan ha ka Shlem Treikam ka Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills kani ka Jingdro ka dan ka phang Root and Rhythm kadai ka bla Krishan ka Indian Foundation and Asian Paints da ka bayas no khti tang bat ka sarkar jila ya kani ka Jingdro la dro do ba Mario Pathau hak bala penwan dor da ka bawan ra ya ka culture haringkat ka jingwan ra iki phaujat ki rong hakani ka sngi uba pol la pen pawi ka jing internet halor ka sap ka bala pen ipat ba do ba Mario hak ba loong ba ka ti ka Jingdro amtang ba ka de tang ban pen internet ya ka Shlem Treikam jo ka Deputy Commissioner handai ka pen iru ya ka jing terli hap deng ka riti ka dustor mat ka por ka ba mentah la pen pawru da ka ba ong ba ka jela Meghalaya ka don shibun ki aka ki bala ban sam sha ka perthai barok ka wei ha ka be dei bar ka mei maryang la ben rap ru da ka ba ong ba haus nem balala kata arajar at Plie kajela Meghalaya kala yo amduna ya khatsan lak ngut kinong wajungo kai na baro kawe ka perthai mat kani kadi ka jingjom na benta ka jela.
Beautiful cascading waterfalls that we have in our district and also in some other district. Waterfall is very one of the main attraction that they have different waterfalls and they have different story. Each waterfall has its own story. And we have many folklores around each waterfall.
What we have done today is encourage visitors, tourists visiting the state of Meghalaya to not only be mesmerized by our natural beauty, but also to step into something called immersive tourism. Immersive tourism is when a tourist goes beyond what hits his eyes and to try to go deeper, to immerse into the culture, immerse into the art, the myths, the legends, the history, the cultural background of a people. And that is an experience that Meghalaya has so much to share with the rest of the world. With the kind of footfalls that we've had, 2023, Meghalaya received not less than 15 lakh visitors from across the world. It's an achievement, a huge achievement, considering the geographical isolation, the fact that we are a landlocked state. If you take all of that into account, Shillong has 40, Sora has 15 degrees of AQI, which is something marvelous. And in spite of our inability to enforce laws regarding pollution, yet God has been so kind that whatever we breathe is something purified, something that adds to the quality of our health. Therefore, let us consider these to be our strengths. Work on those strengths.